So guys, this is I bought from Amazon sale of Republic Day. This is Osmo Mobile 3. So let's unbox it. Oh, from inside we got this DJ Osmo Mobile 3. So let's unbox it. So inside we have this and this. Let's keep it apart. This is the pouch got inside. It's a protective case for Osmo. Inside we have this beautiful gimbal. Look at that. So keep it aside. Yeah, Osmo. So now let's see what all things we got here. It's in protective case, one pouch, one gimbal, one charger, one string and one stand which I bought in combo. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more type of these videos. Thank you.